And we are live. Hello mga kakwento. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are tuning in. To those who are watching or will watch the replay later. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome back to another episode of Kapet Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, where we keep it real about life, change, and growth, one coffee at a time. Ako po si Lori, a former OFW, a mother of two, the face behind Life with Lore business page, and now a proud digital business owner. So, kumusta naman po mga puso natin this morning? May dinadala ka bang mabigat? Yung feeling na parang binigyan ka agad ng problema paggising mo pa lang. Or maybe you are already tired before the day even begins. So I'll be honest, hindi lahat ng araw masaya. Hindi laging masaya yung araw. So, and today, I want to share a simple moment from my life that completely changed my perspective. All about choice. A choice we have to make every single day. One morning, I was stuck in heavy, terrible traffic. Yung tipong parang lahat ng sasakyan sa syudad, nagdesisyon silang dumaan sa harapan ko. And I was late for a very important meeting. That feeling very familiar, di ba? Yung anxiety, frustration, yung self-judgment na bakit kasi dapat gumising ako ng maaga, di ba? So nung una, naramdaman ko lahat yan. Pero in the middle of the gridlock, I remembered something. I have a choice. So pwede kong piliing magalit, magmura sa loob ng sasakyan, to think negatively about how my day was ruined. At kung ginawa ko yon, sigurado ako, my entire day would have been sour. So papasok akong galit sa meeting, the discussion would have been strained, and I would have gone home drained and miserable. Pero ang pinili ko iba. I listened to music. I took a deep breath. At sinabi ko sa sarili ko, the day is the same. The traffic is the same. Ang magkaiba lang yung magiging reaction ko. So instead of being angry, I listened to an inspiring podcast. And I thought, itong extra na oras na ito sa traffic, it's a gift to prepare my mind. When I arrived, I didn't rush, I didn't panic. Pasok ako ng komportable and nakangiti. And you know what? The outcome was completely different. Bagamat late ako, my presentation was calm, the discussion was productive, and ang araw na dapat nasira ng traffic, it became one of the most peaceful and productive days. Bakit? Because I changed my mindset. The traffic didn't change. The day didn't change. Yung nagbago lang is yung lens na ginamit ko para matignan yon. So araw-araw, we have this same choice. Sa bawat maliit na hamon, the traffic, the piece of criticism, a mistake, we have the power. So choosing positivity isn't about ignoring the problem. It's about recognizing na ang ating isipan ang pinakamakapangyarihang sandata natin. When we choose to focus on the solution and the light, the themselves change. Opportunities open up. People respond better. Yung pressure nagiging purpose. So this is discipline. And ito yung aking personal na commitment to prioritize constructive thinking kahit na mahirap, because the alternative, ang pagpapadala sa negativity is a guaranteed way to create a worse outcome. So tonight, I invite you to try this. The next time you face challenge, pause for a moment. Tanungin niyo yung sarili niyo, what will my reaction be? Paano ko mapapaganda ang sitwasyong ito just by shifting my perspective? Your mindset doesn't just affect your day. Ito yung nagdidikta ng inyong buhay. So mga kakwento, this story can be a start of a beautiful change in you. Just try it today. Piliin yung liwanag, choose the solution, and piliin yung kapayapaan. And when you go home tonight, let's see if you don't feel a little lighter. So thank you for spending your time with me tonight, mga kakwento. Let's continue to open our hearts to new possibilities, open our minds to new ways of earning, and open our lives to true freedom. So see you again on my next episode of Kapet Kwento, Kwentong Pagbabago, Bring your coffee, bring your dreams, and let's talk change. Let's continue to earn smart and live free and grow into the person God created us to be. If you want to learn more about the business, you can direct message me or sign up on my website at www.loriramos.com with your name and email, and I will send you the link for the free info session. So good night and God bless us all. Bye-bye.